is our book, Skip to My School, Story and Song. Written and illustrated by Bella, Ava,
and Ellie. In this book, you can also color the pictures.
And it also includes a sheet music and lyrics at the back. We want this book to make you happy while skipping to school. You can read this and sing along. You can sing it while you are skipping to school. Our book is a fresh and creative story and song book, presented with a realistic and happy context. Our wish for you is to enjoy this book together with your family as you read and sing this song with your children as you skip to school.
For more fun stories, go to www.skiptomyschool.com. They make great gifts for every occasion.
Remember to buy your book, and we'll see you skipping to school.